Hello, everyone, and welcome to Word Glow, where simple words create powerful change. Today's video is very special. It is not only about English, it is about your life. Today, we will talk about one important message: never give up. One small step can change your whole future. So relax, listen carefully, and learn with me. Let's begin. Part 1. A common story. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a young man named Adam. Adam was not rich. He was not famous. He was just a normal person. He lived in a small town. He worked in a small shop. Every day he felt tired and sad. He had big dreams, but he did not believe in himself. He said, "I am not smart. I am not lucky. I cannot succeed." So he did nothing. He waited, and waiting changed nothing. Part 2. The problem of fear. Adam wanted to learn English, but he was afraid. He was afraid to speak. He was afraid to make mistakes. When people spoke English, he stayed silent. He thought, "They will laugh at me. I will sound stupid." So he stopped trying. Fear became his enemy, just like many people, maybe like you. Part 3. One small decision. One day, Adam met an old teacher. The teacher asked, "Why are you always quiet?" Adam said, "I am afraid to fail." The teacher smiled and said, "Failure is not bad. Giving up is bad." He continued, "Do one small thing every day. Just one. Read one page. Learn 5 words. Speak one sentence. That is enough." Adam thought about this. That night he made a decision. He said, "I will try." Part 4. The first step. The next morning, Adam woke up early. He opened his phone. He watched an English video. He learned 5 new words. He spoke them loudly. His voice was weak. His pronunciation was wrong. But he did not stop. He smiled and said, "I am learning." That was his first step. Small, simple, but powerful. Part 5. Daily practice. Every day, Adam did one small thing. He listened to English. He repeated sentences. He wrote new words. Some days he felt tired. Some days he wanted to quit. But he remembered one small step. So he continued. Slowly, his confidence grew. He started speaking with friends. He made mistakes. But now, he did not care. He was improving. Part 6. Change begins. After 6 months, Adam was different. He spoke English better. He felt stronger. He applied for a new job. Before, he was afraid. Now, he was ready. In the interview, he spoke in English. Not perfect, but clear and confident. He got the job. His life changed. Not because of luck, because he never gave up. Part 7. Message for you. Dear listener, this story is not only about Adam. It is about you. Maybe you feel, "I am weak. I am slow. I cannot learn." But listen carefully. You are wrong. Every successful person started as a beginner. They were confused. They failed. They felt tired. But they continued. That is the secret. Part 8. Simple rules for success. Let me share simple rules with you. Follow these every day. 1. Learn something small daily. 2. Practice, even when tired. 3. Do not fear mistakes. 4. Speak, even if slow. 5. Believe in yourself. Success is not magic. It is daily effort, small effort, every day. Part 9. Power of habits. Your habits shape your future. If you watch useless videos, you grow weak. If you learn daily, you grow strong. Choose wisely. 10 minutes a day is enough. 10 minutes can change your life. Part 10. Motivation boost. Look at yourself. You are listening now. You want to improve. That means you are special. Many people quit. You did not. So be proud. Keep going. Keep learning. Never stop. Dear friends, remember this line: never give up. One small step can change your life. Start today. Not tomorrow, today. Thank you for learning with Word Glow. If you enjoyed this video, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep glowing. See you in the next video.